Okay, hi, I'm Kev The Builder, and today the Toolbox talk is about saws. There's lots of different options with saws. I'm just going to do two main ones that we seem to commonly use. Again, this is just general use. So this is your wood saw. Okay, it's got obviously the very sharp teeth at the bottom there. It comes with obviously a handle, and it indicates 90 and a 45 degree for doing cuts. So that's general purpose timber saw for cutting wood. And I've got another one here as well, which is a junior hacksaw, which is for cutting metal. Again, that's got a different blade on, so that's for cutting metal, and that's ideal. They're interchangeable, so you can take these off, which are ideal, and replace them when they get wear out. With the other one, obviously you can't. The wood saw, it's obviously a wood saw, and obviously once the teeth get blunt, then obviously you're going to have more trouble. I actually put a date stamp on it, so when I get a saw, especially a new saw, I write down the date so I know the age of it. So when I get another saw and another saw, potentially the same make, then I know what we're working from. So for instance, I'll just do April 21. So I'd write April 21 on that, and I know that's the date when I started using this saw. This is also a bigger metal saw. I've taken the blade off, so you know, I said earlier, you can remove them. So that's a junior hacksaw, and that's a hacksaw, but obviously that's the blades, so they come off and get replaced and interchangeable, but they're ideal for cutting metal. Okay.